welcome everybody. This is the third year we've done this. 62 bikes are going to go to second graders.
My first bike, I think I was 9 years old, and it was the joy of my life.
When I first got my bike, it was a BMX bike.
When I was little, I used to ride my bike all the time, and I'm here today building bicycles for second graders.
So what's cool about this event is it's getting everybody from Gates together to build bikes for kids who don't have the opportunity to necessarily have one. It also happens to be with our cool carbon drive technology that's maintenance-free, grease-free.
Gates funded our bikes. They're building these bikes with a partnership with Priority Bikes on the Gates Carbon Drive. And then every second grader in all of Castro Elementary is going to get a brand new bike and a brand new helmet from Gates.
I like the culture here. There's a big camaraderie. They get together here to do something good for the children here in Denver.
We're taking a bunch of parts in a box and we're working as a team to put them together, and then we're giving them to a kid and help them fulfill some of their dreams.
My bike felt like freedom. I can get on and just ride, and I want the other kids that don't have that chance to have that chance to feel like they can just do anything.